Hello and welcome to WP Design Lab. In this video, I'll show you how to add a simple smooth image slider to your WordPress site with no coding required. And the best part, you can download this free plugin from my GitHub. The link is in the description below. It's lightweight, easy to use, and works perfectly out of the box. First things first, you'll need to download the plugin file and upload it to your WordPress site through the plugins section. Just go to Plugins, add New, click Upload Plugin, choose the zip file and install it. Once it's installed, activate the plugin, and you're ready to go. Next, go to Settings, then click Image Slider. Here you'll see a clean and simple interface. Click the Add Images button to open the WordPress media library. Select the images you'd like to include in your slider. You can choose as many as you want, but around 6 works best for smooth performance. I'm going to add photos of my team members. Now to display your slider on any page or post, all you need is one short code. Type open bracket, orbit slider, close bracket. That's it. Update your page, and there it is, your beautiful image slider, live on your site. This is a simple slider designed to be fast and reliable. The images rotate automatically in a smooth loop, just like orbiting in a circle, and when someone hovers over it, it pauses, right where it is. As soon as they move the mouse away, it continues from the same spot. This makes it easy to view each image without missing a thing. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe for more WordPress tips and free tools, and let me know in the comments, what kind of slider effects would you like to see next? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.